Read this problem. So let us tabulate the information that is given. So we have to calculate how many liters of ammonia. So we have to calculate volume of NH3, and we have been given temperature for ammonia, that is at 50 degrees centigrade. So we have to convert into Kelvin. So this volume is now in Kelvin, and pressure for ammonia is given, that is 5 atmospheric pressure. Apart from this, we have been also given moles of oxygen, that is 1 mole. So moles of oxygen, that is 1 mole. So how will you proceed for this problem? So we have been given moles of oxygen, and we have to calculate volume of ammonia. So first thing is, we have been given moles of oxygen, we can calculate moles of ammonia. So what will be the plan? It should be, I know the moles of oxygen, and if I use balanced chemical equation, that is molar ratio, if I use molar ratio, we can calculate moles of ammonia. And once I know the moles of ammonia, we can use PV is equals to nRT, ideal gas equation, to calculate volume of ammonia. And this should be basically procedure for this question. So let us say I can say 5 mole of oxygen reacts with 4 mole of ammonia. 5 mole of oxygen reacts with 4 mole of ammonia. So 1 mole will react with 4 by 5 mole of ammonia. So I have been given oxygen mole is 1. So basically mole of ammonia is 4 by 5. So now I know moles of ammonia, that is 4 by 5. Other values are given. Pressure is 5 atmospheric pressure, and temperature is at 50 plus 273, and now we know number of moles, that is 4 by 5, this value. So let us write number of moles is 4 by 5 mole. We can use PV is equals to nRT. So we will have pressure is given, so we have to solve for volume. So volume is nothing but nRT divided by P. So we plug these values. V is equals to n is 4 by 5 mole. So this is 4 by 5 mole. R is 0.082 liter into atmospheric pressure. Mole minus 1, Kelvin minus 1. So that is mole and Kelvin go into the denominator. And temperature is at 50 plus 273. And this is in Kelvin. This divided by pressure is 5 atmospheric pressure. So let us cancel atmospheric pressure. Mole goes, Kelvin also goes. So we will have volume is equals to 4 into 0.082 multiplied by at 50 plus 273, and this divided by 5, and this is also 5, and the volume will come in liter. So let us use calculator. So we will have at 50 plus 273. So this is 1123. So 4 into 0.082, 1123, and divided by 5 into 5, that is 25. So let us say we will have 4 multiplied by 0.082, this multiplied by 1123, and divided by 25. So we have volume is 14.73 liter, or approximately we can call this as around 14.8 liter. So you see, if I need 1 mole of oxygen, I need 14.8 liter of, so 14.8, around 14.8 liter of ammonia. So I can say to react with 1 mole of oxygen, we need 14.8 liter of ammonia at given condition, and condition is pressure, temperature, that is given at given condition. So this is about how we can relate ideal gas equation to the balanced chemical equation. So this is basically, this covers two concepts. So this problem covers two concepts. First concept is using ideal gas equation, and the second concept is basically how to use balanced chemical equation to find moles of another reactant, that is concept of molar ratios.